In this segment, we're going to cover the removal and cleaning of the interior lens for the dome light. Okay, in order to replace or remove the cover for the interior dome light, first we want to inspect again and look for Phillips screws or screws of any nature. Not seeing any screws that fasten it in, that leads us to believe it's going to be a snap-on cover again. So, after giving a close thorough inspection, I see a slot right here, and I'm going to take a straight screwdriver, just insert it into the slot, gently wiggle it around, pry down a little bit, get the light assembly loose. Get behind it, it'll just snap out. Once again, the cover assembly is held in by 4 snaps in the 4 corners, and that's what holds it on. Okay, in order to clean it, once again, I'll just spray it down with some interior window cleaning solution and wipe it down thoroughly, both inside and out. To clean it, I'm just going to spray down, light application on both sides, window cleaning solution, and wipe down all the dirt and dust. And if you can see all the small grooves on the back side of it, those are help to reflect the light and give you a brighter dome. So you want to make sure and get your fingernail in there and clean out all the dust in the grooves. Clean it thoroughly on both sides. And you just want to make sure that you clean out all the grooves on the back side, because those will reflect the light and give you a much brighter light. So make sure and get all the dust and dirt out of there. Now that we've got it cleaned thoroughly, watch our next segment on removal and cleaning of the interior dome light bulb.